Let's take a look at how long dried spaghetti takes to cook using cold water and maximum heat with a lidless pan. While I am measuring out 100 grams of spaghetti, it is important that you know that this video was made in response to the following comment.
10 to 18 minutes to cook spaghetti? What planet are you on? Barilla number 5 takes 9-minute max.
Our top priority is to educate and fact-check what we teach on this channel. So timing how long it takes to cook spaghetti using cold water is not a big deal. Case study. How long to cook dried spaghetti? Let's start by setting the hob to a high heat. Next, put a pan on the hob and add a good pinch of Himalayan salt. Check out this video for information why we use Himalayan salt rather than normal table salt. I have also put a link in the description below. Now it is time to add our 100 grams of spaghetti. Make sure the spaghetti is slightly separated so it doesn't stick together while it cooks. Now fill the pan with cold water, and we are ready to cook. Start the clock. Leave the spaghetti in the pan for around 20 seconds, then stir with a fork. This will make sure all the spaghetti is below the waterline. After 6 minutes, we can see that the spaghetti is still raw and nowhere near cooked. But this gives me a great opportunity to stir the spaghetti again to make sure it is still separated. After 9 minutes, stir the spaghetti again to make sure it is still separated. As we can see, it is still not cooked. "12 minutes later and the spaghetti is getting there. We need it nice and soft to ensure that our digestive system is able to process the spaghetti quickly. It just needs another couple of minutes. Nearly 15 minutes later and the spaghetti is ready, soft and succulent, that will be a joy to eat on planet Earth. The spaghetti is perfectly separated and is ready for our favorite sauce. This novice method has taken 15 minutes to cook the spaghetti, that is 15 minutes of energy on a constant high temperature. Check out our Save Money on Energy Bills When Cooking Spaghetti video, where we only used energy for a total of 4 minutes including reheating time. This is a massive saving when considering the current energy crises and the price of fuel bills in 2022.
You made it to the end of this video, so please consider giving it a thumbs up. Why not share it with your family and friends on social media who will also find this video interesting? More people watching increases awareness of what we do, resulting in more people improving their health, escaping diabetes, and losing weight. Take care and we will see you in the next video.